Hello! So, feast day pala ngayon ni Saint John. Saint John, the beloved, the apostle, the evangelist. So, yes, nag-aano ako ng artwork, vector. And, ano to, si Saint John, one of my favorite saints. Naalala ko sabi ni Kambal sa akin na, kapag ka daw nag-boyfriend ako, dapat may John sa pangalan. Kasi, sabi ko sa kanya na, I had this, sinend ko sa kanya yata or kunento ko sa kanya na ilalaban ko sa pagiging faithful si Saint John the Beloved. Kasi 'di ba, nung lahat ng apostle, yung mga apostles, nagtago, he remained. And I think being faithful talaga, ayun yung core, to remain. 'Di ba? Parang he stayed at the foot of the cross with Mama Mary and Mary Magdalene. He took Mary into his home, so he obeyed Jesus. Tapos yung nung Last Supper, 'di ba, parang he rested sa may heart ni Jesus. And he followed. So yeah, I think being faithful, being loyal means staying, being constant, and yung presence. To stay when it's painful, to stay even when it's hard, especially then. To love when it costs you something, pero you always choose to stay. And also, alam mo yun, like, to believe when understanding is incomplete. Like, minsan ang hirap maniwala, di ba? Pero you always choose to stay, you always choose that person. So yeah, for me, Saint John the Beloved, siya talaga yung, parang patron saint ko of faithfulness, of loyalty. So, we're having a chika na naman sa aking artwork. Ayan. And, nanghihingi ako ng jowa na may John. Napaka-ano ba naman ng John? Napaka-normal sa pangalan ng mga Pinoy. John. Diba? Juan. So, ayun. Ayun lang. Today, as we celebrate his feast day, sana maging faithful tayo katulad ni Saint John. Sana matuto tayo na, magstay. In a world na sobrang daling mag-cut ng connection, sobrang dali tumakas. Sana piliin natin to remain. Diba? To remain even if it hurts, even if it's chaotic, even if it costs you something. Kasi that's love. And si Saint John, grabe din pagmamahal niya. So, siya, apostle of love. Diba? Ayun. Wala, ipopost ko kasi to. Ipopost ko yung vector, kaya mag-isipan ko mag-video. Good night, guys. Bye!